blessings that we have to count on, we have one more important blessing, and that is the blessing to be born in a country like India. With multi-dimensional cuisines, with multi-dimensional food options, we are blessed to have an amazing range of substitutes for our healthy eating. तो कोविड के टाइम पे लोगों का ये क्वेश्चन रहा है दैट हम डाइट फूड्स को मेंटेन करते हुए अपने बजट को कैसे मेंटेन करें. इन्हीं कुछ चीज़ों पे बात करने के लिए मैंने आपके लिए ये वीडियो बनाया है. एंड दिस वीडियो टॉक्स एक्सक्लूसिवली अबाउट व्हाट आर द फूड सब्स्टिट्यूट्स दैट कैन बी पॉकेट फ्रेंडली at the same time give you enough amount of nutrition that you require in your daily regime. तो जनहित में जारी, अब नहीं होंगे डाइट फूड्स आपके जेब पर भारी. So let's begin with the first nutrient and that is proteins. जब प्रोटीन्स की हम बात करें तो बहुत सारे प्रोटीन में ऑप्शंस होते हैं, वेजिटेरियन सोर्सेज as well as the non-vegetarian sources. Most commonly known among the vegetarian sources are the dals, the moong dal, the pulses. We also have the paneer, soya bean, soya chunks, tofu, rajagira, quinoa, milk and milk products that to a certain extent that contribute in a good amount of protein. Out of all these vegetarian sources, quinoa is one of the very expensive protein source, and compared to that, a reasonable and an economical budget-friendly source could be using soya bean or soya chunks in your daily diet. This will both provide you 20 grams of proteins per day in 100 grams of the soya bean or the soya chunks. और इससे आप सोया चाप बना सकते हैं, कटलेट्स बना सकते हैं. सोया बीन को आप बिरयानी प्रिपरेशंस में या राइस के कोई प्रिपरेशंस में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Among the non-veg sources, chicken, fish, egg, mutton are most commonly used for the protein sources, out of which the most expensive being mutton and the most economical being eggs, which will contribute approximately 15 rupees for 100 grams, that is 3 eggs in a day, whereas a mutton would cost you around 70 rupees per 100 grams. So now you know which is economical and can be pocket friendly as well. Next we move on to the vitamin C, the most talked vitamin in the COVID times. So जैसे कि आप जानते होंगे इसकी कुछ common sources है, जैसे citrus fruits, papaya, lemon juice, guava, strawberries, amla and some bell peppers as well. Out of this, the cheapest and the highest nutrient value of vitamin C is obtained from amla, which is little expensive on the budget, could be the bell peppers. Have it in the form of murabbas, juices or a fruit in itself. It is a very rich source of vitamin C and must be a part of your daily regime. Zinc. When we talk about zinc, all the kind of pulses have a very rich content of zinc in it, and which has very easily digested and absorbed into the bloodstream as well. Various seeds like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, some nuts are also very good sources of zinc, but at the same time they are also a little expensive on the pocket. So ऐसी क्या फूड हो सकते हैं जो आपको जिंक का रिक्वायरमेंट डेली का दे, at the same time आपके पॉकेट के लिए थोड़े फ्रेंडली हों. Among this option could be peas यानी मटर. It provides 11 grams of zinc per 100 grams, and this is the recommended daily allowance. Among the non-vegetarian sources, it could be consuming egg yolks, which can also be a good source of zinc over mutton or chicken. Calcium, as we know, is one of the most talked nutrient again, and an approximate daily requirement for an average adult would be around 1000 mg to 1200 mg milligrams per day, and it can be easily achieved by various options, some of them being ragi, amaranth leaves, khoya, paneer, milk and milk products, drumstick leaves, moringa powder, poppy seeds. Among the fruits, banana, chiku, sitafal are all rich sources of calcium. But most commonly used sources are the milk and milk products. लेकिन मिल्क का जो अमाउंट है, उसका क्वालिटी है, ये सब चीज़ों पे उसका कैल्शियम अपटेक भी डिपेंड करता है. सो इससे बेटर आई वुड रेकमेंड चूजिंग बनाना और चिक्कू इन द फ्रूट चॉइसेस एंड ड्रमस्टिक एज योर vegetable choice can be excellent to achieve your daily requirement of calcium. Apart from this, poppy seeds, जिसे हम खसखस कहते हैं, is excellent for the lactating mothers and it provides you approximately 1300 milligrams per 100 grams of khaskhas or poppy seeds. The last in the list is iron. The daily requirement of iron for an average adult would be around 17 to 20 milligrams per day. आयरन के यूँ तो बहुत सारे सोर्सेज हैं और कुछ सिंपल रेमेडीज होते हैं, जैसे कि यूजिंग व्हीट ग्रास जूस इन योर डेली इनटेक और कुकिंग इन आयरन यूटेंसिल्स also helps to increase the iron content. But among the food, nuts and seeds में iron content बहुत अच्छा होता है. Only thing is it can get a little expensive on the pockets because all the nuts and seeds on an approximately 100 grams will cost you minimum 150 to 200 rupees. At the same time, if you choose Rajagira or if you choose green leafy vegetables, that would cost you around 15 rupees per 100 grams and give you an equivalent amount of iron into your daily diet. सो ये हो गए कुछ 5 एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हमें हमारे डेली डाइट में होने ज़रूरी हैं और कोई पॉकेट फ्रेंडली फूड्स जो आपके बजट को बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. आई होप दिस वीडियो हैज़ बीन हेल्पफुल. डू इनकॉर्पोरेट ऑल दिस डाइटरी फूड्स इनटू योर डेली रेजिम. गेट मोर fitter and healthier each day. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you think it has added any valuable learning to your existing knowledge, do share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel without fail. This much for today. Thank you so much. This is your nutritionist Prerna from NutriReach signing off.